Webroot discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at Webroot. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, the link will be in the description below, so make sure you check the link out. Along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes, discount codes that you can apply and save money online. Now what is Webroot? Webroot is basically a cyber tool for your homes, for your PC, and they basically have pretty much all the tools that you would need. They have VPN, they have antivirus, and they also have a PC or privacy performance enhancer. You know, they got VPN, they've got the virus, antivirus, and an all-in-one protection tool that you can go ahead and download and get started with it. It's pretty cool and it's pretty simple. There's a bunch of different options to go ahead and choose from. If you want, you can go ahead and buy one-on-one, or if you want, you can go ahead and buy the all-in-one protection plan and basically get started with that. Pretty simple, and it does cost a pretty penny. So let's go ahead and click on see all plans and check out what we have. So here we go. So these are all the plans. These are the individual plans right here: the antivirus protection, antivirus plus identity plus antivirus protection, and then we have the all-in-one, which is the identity, antivirus, VPN, everything. So you can see the plan over here: $89.99 for the first year. You save 90% on the annual plan. But yeah, if you go with the family plan, this is how much it's going to cost you. So I think this is the individual one and this is the family one. Yeah, sorry about that. So weird. Even though, no, this is the family one. This is the family one because it says family right here, even though the white button is over here on the individual one. But it's weird. But anyway, you can go ahead and select whichever one you want and you can buy them. And of course, you can apply the discount codes or click on the link in the description below and save your money. So here we go. And you just simply fill out this form, and they do give a 70-day money back guarantee, so you're good to go. Right now, if you don't want to purchase it, you want to try it, you can go ahead and get started with the free trial, but that's only available for the antivirus, so keep that in mind. And once you've downloaded it, they'll give you a product code that you can go ahead and apply onto the installer and basically, you know, get started with that one. And yeah, so you got to fill out this form, and then they give you a code that you can apply over here, and you should be good to go. So I'll just continue this. I do have to enter in a email address, so just got to register that, and then I can click on continue and you are good to go. So pretty cool, but I'm not going to do that right now, but you get the idea. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.